One of the most important operations projects is supply chain efficiency. The supply chain involves the acquisition of raw materials to make a company's products. The timing of when these materials arrive can have a dramatic impact on a company's bottom line. The operations department is responsible for making sure that workers have all the raw materials they need in order to create finished products. This can be a big job for complicated products. In large companies, there could be literally thousands of suppliers that supply everything from nuts and bolts to paper towels. It's expensive to store raw materials in a factory or warehouse setting, so supply chain managers are choreographers who make sure parts, supplies, and other raw materials arrive at precisely the time they're needed. This advanced planning also allows for cost advantages that are non-existent when factories order only at the last minute. At the other end of the factory, finished products are being picked up by trucks and shipped out to customers. Like supply chain managers, distribution managers have to take a lot of different things into account to make sure the flow of product out of the factory matches the flow of raw materials into the factory. Again, it's all about choreography. If product ships too quickly, the company may not meet demand. Plus, distribution managers hate to send half-filled trucks out of their warehouse. The more the company ships in the fewest containers, the more money it saves. You'll also see companies cutting deals with others on opposite ends of the country or the world to make sure shipping containers are filled both ways. Faster distribution methods need to be weighed against cost. For example, putting products on a transoceanic container ship might be less expensive than air transport, but if it needs to get there within hours instead of weeks or months, changes will have to be made. For the best pricing, distribution managers have to plan ahead. B2B companies typically make large quantity shipments to resellers like retail chains and catalogers. B2C companies may ship smaller quantities directly via overnight and ground shippers like UPS, FedEx, or the U.S. Postal Service. It's all about cost and efficiency, even down to the way you pack your products for shipping. If you spend part of your time in distribution, you may hear the term pick and pack. What's the point of shipping inexpensively if your warehouse employees can't find the merchandise to put on the truck? Operations managers might group frequently ordered products together or install a computer system that will tell the pickers where to look on a shelf. Small companies may only have a few items, but large companies could have thousands of products. Pickers at Amazon.com wear roller skates in the warehouse to help them move faster to fill orders. Few product companies can get away without information systems that help them collect, store, access, and analyze data. And that's where we'll go next. Information technology, or IT, is a core function in all but the smallest of businesses. Many companies even have full-time Chief Information Officers, or CIOs, who report directly to the Chief Operating Officer or company president. Information systems are indispensable on any operations team. IT managers are responsible for everything from desktop machines to data servers and other equipment connected to the network. At one time, sophisticated data networks were available only to the largest companies. Today, the technology is more widespread and can serve even the smallest firms in linking all departments: finance, accounting, research, and customer service. Operations staff keeps the organization going, no matter what kind of organization it is. You should make time to observe how your employer handles various aspects of its operations and look for stories on how they improved productivity and their overall results. You'll learn to spot waste and use time and equipment most efficiently. Beyond that, you'll learn what it really means to keep your promise to customers at every level. Our next segment is devoted to human resources, the department that hires and compensates talent at most organizations.